Well, today we are having the Chicago School Professional Psychology Open House for the Southern California campuses, and we're excited to see people still coming in, learning about psychology is what we do. And we're here to help try to make this dream come true for those students.
I'm here to enroll into the master's program into clinical psychology with an emphasis on ABA. I work with children with autism for 12 to 15 years, and I really enjoyed it. I really learned a lot about myself. It really helped me pass my challenges. You know, it helped me just evolve better, mature differently. So I want to continue with that strength.
It really put me at ease to hear that this school was mainly for me. It helps me that there's all these people around me who doesn't want to see me fall, because essentially we are the future of psychology.